Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Fiat 500 petrol cap. First, you'll need to locate the fuel cap release lever inside your car, usually on the driver's side floor or near the seat. Give it a firm pull to unlatch the fuel flap. Once you hear that satisfying click, you can exit the vehicle and head towards the rear to access the fuel flap itself. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Now that the fuel flap is unlatched, gently push it open completely. You'll then see the actual fuel cap. For many Fiat 500 models, you'll need to use your car key to unlock the cap. Insert the key into the cap's lock and turn it counterclockwise. This action will release the locking mechanism, allowing you to proceed with removing the cap. With the cap unlocked, turn it counterclockwise to fully unscrew and remove it. You can usually hang the cap on the fuel flap or a designated holder. Now, insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Fiat 500. Once you're done, replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Remember to remove your key if you used one. Always ensure your engine is completely off before attempting to open the fuel cap for safety reasons. Also, be mindful not to overfill your fuel tank, as this can lead to spills and potential damage. After refueling, make sure the fuel flap is securely closed by pushing it firmly until it latches. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.